Welcome aboard. It's wonderful to have you with us. At Virgin Australia, your health and safety come first, so we appreciate you giving us your attention as we take you through some important information about this flight. Your seatbelt should now be done up low and tight across your hips. To fasten, push the ends together until they click, then pull the strap to tighten. To release, just lift the buckle. When the seatbelt sign is on, your belt should stay on too. And even if the sign is off, we recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened in case of turbulence. If the cabin pressure changes and oxygen is needed, your mask will drop from above you. Immediately pull the mask down to get the oxygen flowing, remove any face covering, then quickly place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and slip the strap over your head. And while the bag won't inflate, oxygen will flow. So just breathe normally and remember to fit your mask first before helping others. There's a life jacket under or beside your seat. To fit your life jacket, remove it from the bag and slip it over your head. Pass the strap around your waist, clip together, then pull the strap to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down on the red toggles to inflate, and for more air, blow into the mouthpieces. Your jacket has a light and whistle for attracting attention. Infant and spare life jackets will be distributed by your crew if needed. Our crew will now point out the emergency exits. There are 2 doors at the front, 4 exits over the wings, and 2 doors at the rear of the cabin. Check where your nearest exits are now and remember they may be behind you. Our crew are also now showing you the escape path lighting that will help guide you to the exits. And if we need to evacuate, leave everything on board. Bringing your bags will slow you down and could damage the escape slides. To find out the brace positions and other important safety information, check the safety instruction card in your seat pocket. Smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes isn't allowed on board. This includes in the toilets, which have smoke detectors and alarms. You may continue using your handheld devices as long as you have switched them to flight mode. Anything larger than handheld will need to be put away. And if you lose your device in your seat, don't move the seat. Just sit tight and ask your crew for assistance. Finally, make sure your seat is upright, window blinds are open, tray tables put away, and all bags are under the seat in front of you. If your seat has a leg rest or device holder, ensure they are stowed and all devices are unplugged. The crew is here to make your flight safe, so please follow their instructions as well as all illuminated information signs. Now, as we get ready for takeoff, please relax and have a wonderful flight.
Welcome to Brisbane, everyone. My good time is 2 minutes past 9. Outside is currently 26 degrees. For your safety, we do ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping the aisles and exits clear until we do arrive at our gate and our captain turns on the seatbelt sign. When you do get up tonight, please take care when opening overhead lockers above and make sure you take everything with you before you leave us tonight. If they are close by, you can now use handheld devices with flight mode turned off. At this stage, we'll be disembarking to the forward and the rear doors. If you are leaving us via the rear door, you'll be using stairs, so please take your time and use the handrails. And once on the tarmac, follow the directions by our ground crew to the airport building. If you are travelling with infants or small kids and may find using the stairs difficult, you're more than welcome to remain on board and leave us through the forward door where we do have an aero bridge attached. We'll be refuelling here in Brisbane tonight, so just a friendly reminder that smoking, vaping and the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed as you leave us tonight whilst walking on the tarmac or throughout Brisbane Airport. And if you are one of our guests walking on the tarmac tonight, just hold off using your mobile phones while you are down there until you're safely back inside the terminal building. For those guests heading up to Townsville tonight, this aircraft will be taking you to Townsville, so don't go too far. They'll be cleaning the aircraft and preparing it for departure to make up as much time as can. There will be a crew change here in Brisbane. Well, folks, on behalf of your onboard team tonight, thanks for flying Virgin Australia. Once again, we do apologise about our late arrival into Brisbane. Unfortunately, that Melbourne weather wasn't on our side today, and we hope it hasn't impacted your evening plans too much. If, like us, you are returning home, a big welcome home to you, and if you are visiting Queensland, of course, enjoy your stay. Look forward to seeing you next your flight. Good night.